Chapter 4, Parts of a Computer. Hello children. Today we are going to discuss about the different parts of a computer. A computer has many parts. It is a machine that runs only with many parts. All the parts have some important functions. But a computer has four main parts, namely CPU box, monitor, keyboard and mouse. All of them together make a computer system. All the parts of the computer system are connected by wires called cables. So now, first, we will discuss about the main parts of the computer. The CPU box. It is also called the CPU cabinet. It contains the CPU inside it. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of a computer system. It does all the tasks and all the work that we want the computer to do for us. It is called the brain of the computer system. It controls all the other parts like the mouse, keyboard, and monitor. These parts are connected to the CPU through the cables. Next is the monitor. The monitor looks like a television screen. It is used for displaying pictures and images, playing games on the computer, etc. We also can see the display of the text that we type in or we search for in the computer system. Whatever we type is seen on the monitor. The monitor is also called the VDU. Now VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. That is something that we can see. Another main part of the computer is the keyboard. A keyboard is used to write on the computer. We type using small buttons which are called keys. These keys are present on the board of the keyboard. These keys are used to give instructions to the computer. As we type in using the keys, the instructions are given to the computer through the CPU and the display is seen on the monitor. We categorize the keys of the keyboard into various parts. The first are the alphabet keys, which are marked from A to Z. Alphabet A to Z. Next is the number keys. The number keys are marked with numbers 0 to 9. Then we have the toggle keys. Toggle keys are the caps lock key, number key, and the scroll key. These keys help us to perform various functions which you will study in the later classes. The last type of keys are the special keys. Special keys are the spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, insert key, and the tab key. Another important part is the mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. A mouse is used to point or to select an item shown on the monitor. It usually has two buttons and a wheel in between. A mouse is usually kept on a mouse pad. to prevent it from dust and make its surface smooth to use. The other parts of the computer, other than the main parts, are also there. So the first one, let us read about the printer. A printer is used to take out a copy of the things that we see on the monitor. It prints documents, pictures, etc. Printers are of many types. Some printers print everything in black and white color only, while some can print all the colors. These printers are dot matrix printer, DeskJet printer, and laser printer. The printed paper is called the printout or the hard copy. What we see on the monitor is the soft copy. Next part of the computer is the speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music or other sounds on the computer. They are connected to the CPU box through cables. Another part is the microphone. Microphones are used to record voices onto the computer. The UPS. UPS stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. A UPS keeps the computer working for some time, even after the electricity goes off. Basically, a UPS is kind of a small inverter. The kind of inverters that we use in the house so that the electricity remains, the power supply remains with the battery stored in the inverter. It works, the UPS works in the similar format. Whatever work we do on the computer needs to be saved, but if there is a sudden cut in the electricity, the work is not saved. We don't get the time to save it. So the UPS, the uninterrupted power supply, gives us that much time to at least save the work that we were doing on the computer and to shut it down in a proper manner. Another part is the CD and DVD drive. CD stands for compact disc. It is used to store a large amount of information. The CD drive is a place in the CPU cabinet where the CD or DVD is inserted. The DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. To open the CD or DVD drive, we press the button on the CPU cabinet and the tray comes out. Then we put our CD or the DVD and press the button again, and then the tray goes inside. So children, these are the different parts of a computer system.